Alright, so the first thing that you need to do to set up your project with the Photon Chat is import the required plugin. To do this, we'll go over to the Asset Store tab, and then we'll click on the search icon. Now you have two options for Photon Chat. You have the basic Photon Chat plugin, which is right here. This plugin is free, but this plugin also only comes with the Photon Chat. If you're creating a multiplayer game and want to implement a chat system, then all you have to do is import the Photon PUN2 plugin. The basic version is free and comes with the Photon Chat assets. Now I've already imported this plugin into my project, so I'm not going to do it again. And if you've watched any of our other Photon tutorials, you should be pretty familiar with this process. From here we then need to go to the official Photon website, which is www.photonengine.com. You'll then need to create or log into your account if you already have one, which will take you to your Photon dashboard. Here you'll need to create a new app ID. As you're creating the new app ID, you need to select Photon Chat from the drop down menu. You can then add a name, a description, and a website, after which you'll click Create. This will take you back to your dashboard where you now have a new application. You'll then need to select the app ID for this chat application, copy it, and then we'll go over to Unity. We then need to find our Photon Server Settings. To do this, we can go up to the Windows drop-down menu. We'll then select Photon Unity Networking, and then PUN Wizard. This will bring up a new window where we can click on Locate Photon Server Settings. This will highlight this file in your project window. We can then select this file, and in the inspector where it says App ID Chat, we can paste in the app ID that we've copied. Once you've done this, you've set up your project so that it'll work with the Photon Chat system. Now make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can be up to date with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.